सबसे पहले मेरे गुरुपाद पद्मों नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्समाद भक्ति वेदांत शिला वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्समाद भक्ति वेदांत शिला नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज जी के अभय चरण
So first of all, my obeisances to my Gurudev, Shlavamana Maharaj and Shlavnarayana Goswami Maharaj. Also after that, my obeisances to Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astottara Shat, Shila Bhakti Vedanta, Shila Swami Maharaj, and also to present here, sannyasis present here, the mothers, the devotees immersed in the mode of Mahaprabhu, the devotees eager to listen to Harikatha. To the feet of everyone, I offer my Dalavat Pranams accordingly, please accept it. So under the guidance of Shri Guru Vaishnavas, Guru and Vaishnavas, we are performing the 84 Purush Parikrama of Brajamandal. This place is called Chandra Sarovar. It's a very beautiful place. So you saw the beautiful darshan of Chandra Sarovar. Now you heard having the darshan of Ras Leela, even the moon stopped moving. That's why the great grandson of Krishna, he established this beautiful lake in remembrance of this pastime. In the remembrance of this pastime, he gave the name Chandra Sarovar. Two meanings. Because the moon is round, so this pond is also round, like the moon. Okay. Another point. Krishna did the Ras Leela. Rasa Leela depends on Alamban and Udipan. Udipan is when you see something, and many kinds, your heart becomes very stimulated. This is Udipan. When you see something, like when Krishna went to perform the Ras Leela, he desired to make the Ras Leela. He saw the moon, and then Krishna, he felt Udipan, stimulation in his heart. Udipan stimulation is very important. Even like the speaker and the listeners, everything depends on the Udipan stimulation. So the katha will be good if the speaker, if the listener is good, if the listener is somebody who can understand, then the speaker will speak nice things. But if the listener is not high class, so the speaker will hide his moods. Example is given when the cow gives milk, gives to her own baby, calf. Those who have village know that if the calf dies, you have to put a fake calf in front of the cow. Then the cow thinks that baby calf is hers, and then it starts licking the calf, the fake calf. Then the cow is giving the milk that moment. The people, they milk the cow. So the acharyas explain. Acharya Sota Kusalasa Bhakta means the speaker should be amazing and the listener also should be very good. So Bhakta describes about Rasa Leela. It's this Rasa Leela, Saradiya Rasa Leela. Autumn season. Who is the speaker? Shukadeva Goswami Pada. In the Bhagavatam is very clearly explained what he's saying. Shri Shuka Uvacha. Shukadeva Goswami is saying. Who is the speaker? Shukadeva Goswami. Who is the listener? Although there were many listeners,
जो है
The main
परीक्षित
one
महाराज।
was Parikshit Maharaj.
परीक्षित महाराज के लक्ष्य करके सारे कथाएं जो है
Actually, aiming
बताया।
Parikshit Maharaj, Shukadeva Goswami Pada told all the kathas to him actually. The other listeners of the Bhagavatam were like occasional, or they came like occasionally, but the main listener of the Bhagavatam was like, for example, there are 80,000 rishis, and there are also many people who are just coming by, like these many shrotas, many listeners, they came. But the main listener of the Bhagavatam was who? Parikshit Maharaj. So Shukadeva Goswami Pada told the Rasa Leela to him. So you heard. There are how many kinds of rasas? There are many kinds of rasas. Although we hear, okay, 4 kinds of rasas, but actually there are many kinds. Nitya rasa. Another name is Nitya rasa, Naimittika rasa. Another Saradiya rasa, Vasantika rasa. One more rasa, I don't know if you heard it or not. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada explains in his book, actually the name of his book is Udbhar Ras. What is the name? Udbhar Ras. How many people have read this book? I challenge you to read this book. The name of the book is Udbhar Ras. Many people haven't even heard the name of this book. I have this book, okay? It's written by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Udbhar Ras. Very funny kathas in this book about Rasa Leela. There are many books about Rasa Leela. Brahma Purana also explains. Radha Hridaya Brahmanda Purana also. All these books, many Puranas, we find a description about the rasa. Especially the katha about Vasantika rasa is described by Jayadeva Goswami. So what is 2 Rasa Leelas are famous in this world. One is called Saradiya Rasa, another Vasantika Rasa. And Maharasa is also described. On the banks of Radhakonda, the rasa that happens there is called Maharasa. There are many kinds of rasa. If you count, there are actually so many rasas, because what is the meaning of rasa? To relish the rasas. To relish the transcendental mellows. There are many definitions of rasa, where there is embracing, kissing, dancing, singing. This is all called rasa also. And our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also spoke about one more kind of rasa. What is the name of the rasa that Mahaprabhu preaches? Nama Sankirtana rasa. Sankirtana rasa is the topmost rasa, Sankirtana rasa. Cannot compare it to anything else. So, many meanings of rasa. But this place that we are here now, this is Chandra Sarovar. So we are on the banks of Giriraj Govardhan. Giriraj is nearby. It's a very beautiful place. This rasa is very special. The other day I was saying, the rasa that took place in Vrindavan is called, which kind of rasa? Autumn season rasa, Saradiya rasa. And it's also known by many names like Panchayati rasa also. Why Panchayati? Okay, there are many kinds of gopis gathered there. That's why that rasa is called Panchayati rasa, the rasa that took place in the autumn season. In Bengal, when they make the sabji, they give the panchaparan. Panchaparan is a mix of masala. Means there are 5 kinds of ingredients, like for example cumin seeds. We call panchaparan. But not necessarily 5 kinds, can be many kinds, can be mustard seeds, so many. Like the name is panchaparan, like 5. Generally say, put the panchaparan.
नहीं है
like the
केवल
five,
पांच
five,
प्रकार की
five masalas, but actually five,
ingredients, सामग्री
like how to say, five
हमारे कहने की तात्पर्य
these
है, हमारा
seeds and these. Actually, no, can be many kinds, you know.
पंचायती
That's why
रासा पर
Panchayati
अनेकों
Rasa.
प्रकार के,
It's called autumn season Rasa Lila is called Panchayati Rasa. Like 5 kinds of gopis were there, but actually there were many. The name Panchayati means 5, but actually means many. Jyotikiya, Jyotiki, Shrutichari, Munichari,
क्या बोले? मुनिचरी, हैं, और देव कन्याएं,
Deva
और क्या
Kanyaएं.
बोले? और जनकपुरी आदि के कन्याएं जो रामचंद्र के दर्शन
So
करके,
those
हैं,
also who
बहुत से
saw
रामचंद्र
Ramachandra
में कितने आकृष्ट हो गए,
and they became so
और
attracted
फिर
towards him.
सीताएं, हैं, अनेक प्रकार के गोपियों में जो है सब राम अधिकांश
Swarna
देखा जाए,
Sitas we see.
रामचंद्र के कृपा से ही वो लोग सब
By the mercy of
गोपी
Ramachandra,
जो
all them
हैं,
became gopis.
ब्रज में गोपी रूप में जन्म ग्रहण किया
And they were born
और
as
फिर
gopis in Braj.
राधा आदि ललिता आदि ऐसे सखियों की संगत के प्रभाव
So by the influence of the association of the Nitya Siddha,
ये कृष्ण के प्रति अनुराग उत्पन्न
gopis, then they developed anuraga towards Krishna. So now we are hearing, if you don't have anuraga for Krishna,
उनकी प्रवेश अधिकार नहीं दे
Jogamaya will not allow you to enter
अनुराग के दो
in the
लक्षण
Rasa Lila.
परस्परानु
So there are 2 symptoms of anuraga.
क्या होता है अनुराग
Parasparana Snehanubandhanam. Rupa Goswami, in his book Ujjwal Nilamani, he describes that anuraga has 2 symptoms. One, Parasparana Snehanubandhanam. The lover and beloved, they are completely bound to each other by their love and affection. They cannot leave each other. And second is Navanavayaman, means ever fresh, newly beauty at every moment. So by the association of Nitya Siddha gopis, then all this anuraga, deep attachment will come in their hearts. Then Jogamaya will give you eligibility to enter the Rasa Lila. This is one point. Second point, without Parakya Bhava, you cannot also enter the Rasa Lila as well. The other day we were in the Belvan. Why Shrimati Lakshmi Devi? Why Lakshmi could not enter the Rasa Lila? Why? First of all, she wanted to enter the Rasa Lila in the body of Lakshmi. But this is not possible. Krishna says, I am a Gopa. I only accept gopis. I don't do rasa or associate with any other person that is not a gopi. Krishna does not accept anyone who is not a gopi. So you have to attain the body of a gopi. Many examples are there in the Shastras. Second point, to marry a gopa and hiddenly meet with Krishna in the paramour mood. This should be there. So our acharyas, they say, there are 16,108 queens in Dwarka. They are married to Krishna. So Krishna could do the Rasa Lila in Dwarka, but no. Actually no. Because to perform the Rasa Lila, 4 things should be there. 1, Bhammata, the left wing's move should be there. Durlabhata, rare meeting. Nibaranata, impediment of the superiors. And Prachanakamaka, hidden love. Parakya Bhava has these 4 things. In Swakya, this is not there. In Swakya, you see little bit of Vamyata is there, left wing smooth, sulky mode. So the woman wants to be sulky or angry with the husband, but then the husband slaps the woman 2-4 times, and then the woman stops being sulky with the husband. One time Satyabhama also became a man, like angry with Krishna. Story is long, but then Krishna just told, hey, daughter of Satrajit. He didn't even call her by her name. Oh, daughter of Satrajit, if you're not here right now, I'll give you up forever. Give you up forever. Just hearing this, Satyabhama dressed up and came immediately. So her man disappeared.
और यहाँ पर जो राधा कृष्ण जब गाते हैं,
But when Krishna
गोपियों,
told
तुम हर रोज मुझे गाली देते हो, तुम ए चोर हो,
Gopis, every day you call me,
मैं काल से तुम लोग के साथ कुंज में,
you call me debauchee, thief, this and that. I'll not come tomorrow to your kunja tomorrow. I'll not come back. And then Krishna takes Gopis take Krishna by the hand and said, "What to speak of tomorrow? Now you go away now. Get out now of our kunja." So this is the speciality of the Gopis. So Prabodhananda Saraswati said, the Supreme Lord Brajendrananda Shyamasundar, he is worshipped by many demigods, great demigods. He wears the peacock feather on his head. When Shrimati Radhika is iman, angry with him, he has to stay outside the kunja. And who is outside the kunja? Not Shrimati Radhika, her servants, the servants of Shrimati Radhika. Krishna is rubbing his nose at the feet of the manjaris and going up and down, holding his ears. These divine pastimes are taking place. So Jayadeva Goswami Pada wrote, he wrote Smaragara Kandanam, but he could not write further. He had to write, "Hey Shrimati Radhika, you have very generous hearts. Please put your feet on my heads." Jayadeva Goswami had to write this, but he couldn't. How a woman will put the feet on the head of Krishna? How possible? This is possible. Jayadeva Goswami could not write. In the end, Swayam Bhagavan Krishna came in the form of Jayadeva and he finished the verse. You know this katha. Dehi Palava Mudaram. So Krishna is so rasik. Krishna is so rasik. In Parakya, this happens in Paramurmut. So here's Chandra Sarovar. So the moon became stunned by seeing the Rasalila. So how the moon was able to see the Rasalila if even great demigods couldn't see? In the Venu Gita, we see this explanation. I don't want to repeat the katha that Maharaj said, but in Venu Gita we see this explanation. Hearing the sound of the flute of Krishna, everybody came running to see the Rasalila. In the shloka and the commentary explains in the shloka of the Venu Gita that all the demigods, they came sitting on their divine chariots and came with their wives, because you should not come alone. So wife and husband, both they came. And then what happened? So seeing Krishna by far, their husbands fainted. And the wives also saw a little bit Krishna and also fainted. So even the great demigods couldn't see Krishna. The Bhagavata explains. So how the moon saw the Rasalila? You should ask this. How the moon saw? You tell me. How the moon was able to see the Rasalila? Because we see that here the moon saw the Rasalila and stopped moving. So ask this question, then you can get the answer. So if the demigods couldn't see the Rasalila, Chandra, the moon is also a demigod. So how did Chandra see the Rasalila? There's a beautiful explanation that our acharyas give. This is a very beautiful place. So the commentaries they wrote, it's written. Those who read the commentaries, you can see clearly it said, Chandra, he attained Gopi Bhav. He has attained Gopi Bhav, the moon. The moon has a speciality. And the service that the moon did, nobody else did this service. That's why Swayam Bhagavan, he gave to Chandra, to the moon, this highest mood. Because the Rasalila takes place in the daytime or nighttime? In the nighttime, right? So,
चंद्रमा को क्या किया?
the
चंद्रमा
moon,
बिना रास
without moon, there's no Ras Leela.
क्योंकि उज्जवल हो अंधकार में
Because
क्या रास
what can you do in Ras Leela in the night, in the
अंधकार में
dark?
नहीं होता।
Like completely dark. That's why the moon is necessary, because moonlight, you know, the light of the moon.
गोपी भाव प्राप्त
That's why
करा दिया। उसको
Bhagavan
पढ़कर लिखे,
made
जो लोग आप
the moon
टीका पढ़ते
attain
हो,
Gopi Bhav.
हमारे पास वो ग्रंथ है।
I have this book, if you read the commentary, it's clearly explained in the commentaries that even Chandra attained Gopi Bhav. Bhagavan gave to Chandra Gopi Bhav. Because without Gopi Bhav, you cannot see the Rasa Leela. How?
इसलिए वो रास इतने
Possible.
सुंदर था, बोले कितने समय तक रास हुई?
So for how long the Rasa took place?
हम जो वर्णन कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं, शिलाजाति के इसमें एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य है।
Vasantika Rasa is very special.
में सब प्रकार के गोपियों की समावेश।
In the Saradhiya Rasa, all kinds of gopis were assembled. But in the Vasantika Rasa spring season, only the Nitya Siddha, Swapaksha, only the Nitya Siddha gopis were able to join the spring season Rasa Leela.
स्वपक्ष और विपक्ष के गोपी भी
And especially the Swapaksha and Vipaksha gopis only, others not.
राधा जी के पक्ष और चंद्रावली के पक्ष के गोपियां यहाँ
So
पर
the gopis of the
और
group of
राधा कुंड में
Chandravali
जो रास है, उस रास
and
में
Shrimati Radhika
केवल
only.
सपक्ष यानी
And the Rasa Leela that takes place in Radha Kunda, only gopis from the group of Shrimati Radhika can join.
जो कार्य है वैकुंठादि जोनितो वरा मधुपुरी, वैकुंठ से श्रेष्ठ क्या है?
So higher than Vaikuntha is Vrindavan. Why? Because in Vrindavana, Bhagavan performed beautiful Rasa Leela. And higher than Vrindavana, what is higher than Vrindavan? Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Because on the laps of Giriraj, Vasantika Rasa, the spring season Rasa Leela took place. And only the Swapaksha and Vipaksha gopis were present. But the Rasa Leela that took place in Radha Kunda, only the gopis of the group of Shrimati Radhika were present. So the group gopis of Chandravali, Vipaksha, rivals, Jogamaya did not give qualification to them to join the Rasa Leela in the Radha Kunda. Jatila and Kutila sometimes they go to Surya Kunda, but Jogamaya never allowed them to enter the Radha Kunda. So we've come to Chandra Sarovar. It's a very beautiful Rasa Leela took place here. How is the lotus face of the gopis? Round shape, just like the moon. Because this is a simulation, Udipan. Shastra explains. Women who have the round face, they are fortunate women. There are four kinds of women and four kinds of men. So many divisions according to the body. It's written there. Everything is described. So Shrimati Radhika, they are Padmini. That's why their names is Padmini. Four kinds of women are there. One is Padmini, Sankhini, Hastini and Chitrani. Okay, so one is Padmini, Sankhini, Hastini and okay, later I see. I forgot. So Shastra describes all this. You can read it. In that book of Gurudeva, in Bhajna Rahasya, Gurudeva a little bit indicated these points. He also gave a hint to this point. So all the gopis are Padmini. So this is a conception from the material world, but also in the spiritual world is also there. Because whatever is there in the spiritual world, this world is a perverted reflection of the spiritual world. So all these moods are there in the spiritual world. In a pure way, And in this world, all these things are perverted reflection of this.
आईना के सामने, मिरर के सामने,
Just like, for example, you sit in front of the mirror, and you're taking prasad in front of the mirror. You're eating with your right hand, but in the mirror, it looks like you're eating with your left hand, so completely opposite. Bhaktivinoda Thakur told this in the Jayavadharma. Because this material world is a perverted reflection from the spiritual world. So whatever is there in the spiritual world is also here, but here is a perverted reflection. So I'm saying there are 4 kinds of women. Those who have very round face women, Chandramukhi. Nobody has the face like the moon, but if the moon is like round, the person is fortunate, the woman is fortunate. So the face of the gopis is like the moon. So Krishna saw the gopis and performed the Rasa Leela. What is the speciality of the Rasa Leela explained in the Gita Govinda? Jayadeva Goswami Pada, in this book, he describes 4 kinds of heroes and 8 kinds of heroine moods. Swadhina Bhatika, this mood, and also 8 moods of the heroines are described in the Gita Govinda. Those who have studied Gita Govinda, Gurudeva with so much efforts, he wrote the Gita Govinda book. If you don't read it, it's useless, Gurudeva's work. So you have to read these books. You also must hear it. So Gita Govinda is the topmost book, Gita Govinda. When Srimati Radhika is in man, so she kicks Krishna out of the kunja. Madhava, get out, get out. Madhava, get out of my kunja. Kaitav means I don't want to hear your flattering words. So Krishna comes out of the kunja. Why? Because Krishna meets each gopi he meets, he says the same. Oh, I cannot repay you for your love. So those who are cheaters, they always like this. They always speak sweet words, but in their heart so much poison. So Krishna always speaks sweet words to the gopis. Okay, so those who are cheaters, they speak sweet words, but in their hearts they have poison. So this is what Dupista hypocrisy. So the gopis say, Madhava, get out. I don't want to know your flattering words, your lies. I don't want to hear them. I don't want to hear them. Okay, so Madhava came out of the kunja. Then the next day, when Srimati Radhika met Krishna, Krishna told, hey Radhe, why yesterday you kicked me out of your kunja? Then Srimati Radhika said, 1 second, I was finished. Srimati Radhika told, look, I told you, Madhava, Madhava Jahi. Srimati Radhika is saying, look, she's saying, look the meaning of Madhava. Madhava means, Ma means Lakshmi. Dava means the Lord of Lakshmi, Madhava. But another meaning of Madhava, Ma means no. Dava means, in Sanskrit, Dava means to run. Like for example, the horse is running, galloping. So Asya Davati. Those who read Sanskrit, they know. From the word verbal roots, Dav means Davati, Davanti, Davanti. It's like to run. Asya Davanti, the horse is running, is galloping, running quickly. So Madhava means, hey Krishna, okay, you have to go, yes, but Ma means not. Don't go quickly, don't go quickly. It means you're not our husband, so we cannot, if a husband and wife are sitting together, nobody will ask anything. But if you're sitting, embracing and kissing very quick, very close to each other, but you're not married to that person, people will criticize. So yes, Krishna has to go. So Srimati Radhika told, you didn't understand what I told yesterday. What? Then Radha told, I told Madhava, means okay Krishna, you have to go away, but how to go? Go slowly. Don't go quickly. Don't go quickly. Don't go away quickly. So Madhava.
जल्दी जल्दी मत
Ma
जाओ।
means no and Dava
ये
means
समझो जो
quickly.
है,
So don't go
वैष्णव
quickly.
की आज जो वैष्णव आचार जो है ये समझो बहुत वर्णन
So the
करते
Gaudiya
हैं।
Vaishnavacharyas,
गीत
they
गोविंद
describe all
आज
this.
आलोचना करें,
If
उसमें
you
कितने
read instead the
टीकाकार है,
Gita Govinda, there are many
उस टीकाकार में
commentaries
कितने
also,
सुंदर वर्णन करते
and they
हैं।
describe it so
वास्तव में हम
well.
लोग जो आए हैं,
So
यही
really,
जो
you have
है,
come here.
गीत गोविंद की प्रणेता
This-
जयदेव गोस्वामी
The Gita Govinda was written by Jayadeva Goswami. So the mood of this place was described in the Gita Govinda.
और अभी आप लोगों ने श्रवण किया
And also you heard that this is the place of Surdas.
और सूरदास यहाँ पर भी अपने लीला भी संगोपन किया। सूरदास के समाधि स्थल
His
दर्शन
samadhi
किया,
is also here,
उनके
you
विग्रह
saw.
भी दर्शन किया।
His deity also.
ये समझते हो जो महान आदि भक्त लोग प्रकट हुए विश्व करके
The great
ये
devotee.
संप्रदाय के क्या बोले हमारे बल्लभ संप्रदाय के
So he's in the
बल्लभाचार्य
Vallabha
के
Sampradaya.
यहाँ पर है।
No, sorry, this is also the
जिन्होंने
place
देखो,
of Vallabha where he sat down
गुजरात
here.
को क्या कर दिया?
So Vallabha
गुजरात के
Acharya,
प्रेम भक्ति आदि
he has
लेकर के
given
सारे
Prema
गुजरात
Bhakti
के
in
प्रेम
Gujarat.
की बाढ़ में उसको
He has
प्रवाहित
flooded
कर
Gujarat
दिया।
in the Prema Bhakti,
एक शुद्ध
Vallabhacharya.
भक्त, आज भी
One
जितने
pure
विश्व में
devotee.
जितने भी भक्त
Nowadays you
हैं,
see all the
हैं,
devotees in the
समस्त
world.
भक्त के एक तरफ रख दिया जाए,
If you put all
और
the devotees in
देखो,
one side of the
गुजरात के
scale,
भक्त के-
and in
गुजरात
the
के जितने
other side of the
भक्त हैं,
scale,
उसके साथ बराबर नहीं।
you just put the devotees of Gujarat, can never be equal, because the devotees from Gujarat, they are the highest devotees, the devotees from Gujarat.
धनी भी होता है।
The people from Gujarat, they are also so rich.
हम इंग्लैंड में गए, देखा वहाँ पर जो है,
I've been to England,
जितने
I
मंदिर
saw
है, गुजरात के लोगों
all the
के मंदिर
temples,
जो
they are
है,
made by
वो सर्वश्रेष्ठ
devotees from
गुजरात में
Gujarat.
दो होता है। देखो ये गुजरात के लोग होते हैं, दो पक्ष क्या है तो वो इस संप्रदाय में हो जाता है, क्या नाम? वल्लभ संप्रदाय में।
So they're from
और
the
नहीं
Vallabha
तो वो
Sampradaya,
अभी जो
otherwise
होता है वो
they are from Swaminarayan.
आप देखो, मैं भी
Gujaratis,
देखा,
they are from these the
इंग्लैंड में,
devotees.
लंदन में
I saw in
देखा,
London,
लेस्टर में देखा, वहाँ पर जो है
Leicester,
स्वामीनारायण के मंदिर आप
there's a
देखोगे,
temple of
उनके जो
Swaminarayana.
compound जो है,
The
इतना
compound of the
विशाल है,
temple is gigantic,
इंडिया जो है एयरपोर्ट की भी
just like an airport in India. No, even better than an airport in India. It's a gigantic area, the Swaminarayana temple.
Because
they have so much money, they also know how to get money, earn money.
कमा करके ये लोग सब डालते हैं।
It's
इसलिए
Gujaratis.
ये तुमसे सूरदास के विशिष्ट में इसलिए कहला वल्लभाचार्य
I'm
जो
talking
गुजरात के
because
हमारे भागवत
Vallabhacharya, he
पूरा
has
भागवत
preached
के बोले
in
इसमें
Gujarat.
वर्णन कर रहे हैं गुजरात को क्या कहा जाता है जहाँ पर भक्ति
So
देवी
Gujarat
जहाँ पर
is the
वहाँ पर पूरी
place
हो गई।
where
हाँ?
Bhakti Devi became
बात
old.
पर जो क्या है, गुजरात के जो है
Means
वहाँ पर सब नास्तिक था।
In
और
Gujarat,
वल्लभाचार्य
everybody was
ने आकर के
atheist.
महान भक्त
But Vallabhacharya, he's a great devotee, and he came to
को
Gujarat,
ऐसे जलमय कर दिया,
and he made
पानीमय कर दिया,
Gujarat amazing.
ऐसे भूमि कुशल भूमि के,
He has
ऐसे
like
बंजार भूमि पे,
fertilized the
ऐसे स्वच्छ
barren land
श्यामल
of
बना
Gujarat
दिया, और
and made
नवोत्थान भूमि
Gujarat a
की।
very
जय
beautiful garden.
वल्लभाचार्य की,
Nobody in the
जय,
past or in the
जय
future did
श्रीदास,
like Vallabhacharya did
जय,
in Gujarat.
श्री
Jai Sri Das.
राधे।
Jai Sri Radhe.
হরে কৃষ্ণ বাঙালি বস্ত্রে আছে না সব চলে গেছো সবাই বুঝতে কি দাও দেখি